a few years ago, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago, I'm not sure exactly what it was, when we did Mad Dogs and Englishmen here on stage. And we've since lost Joe Cocker, who is one of the all-time greats. So we're gonna do a couple of things for Joe. Midnight choir, I'm trying in my own way to be free. Like a bird on a hook, like a man in some old-fashioned book. I've seen all my ribbons up for you. Oh, and if I've been unkind, just let it go by. Oh, if I'm been untrue, oh, I hope you know it was never to you. Like still born like a beast with his form. What I've told everyone who ever reached out for me. And I swear, whatever I've done wrong, I won't make it up. I won't make it up to you. I saw you must not ask for so much. She cried to me when you asked for more.